Welcome to Dentulu, your all-in-one dental management app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the My Appointments section in the Provider Portal. Start by going to app.dentulu.com, click Login under Dental Professionals, and sign in using your registered email address and password. Once you're logged in, click My Appointments at the top of the dashboard. You'll be taken to the Appointments page, where you can view all of your scheduled appointments in one place. From here, you can access virtual consultations, photo consultations, in-office appointments, mobile concierge appointments, second opinions, direct connect logs, and marketplace appointments. To schedule a new appointment, click Create New Appointment and complete the required information. To review an existing appointment, click the View button next to the appointment. You'll be able to see the patient's details and other relevant appointment information. That's it. The My Appointments section makes it easy to schedule, manage, and review all of your appointments from one convenient location. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Dentulu tutorial.